Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be giving you a quick review on this Baja Designs backup light kit, which uses their flush mount S2s. Now what we have here is, like I said, a flush mount S2 Pro with the diffused lens on there, and basically that's just designed to cast out a nice even spread of light, and there's going to be two involved in the kit, so you just get a nice fill right behind your vehicle. Obviously this is much brighter than just the little factory halogen reverse light bulbs that are in your tail lights, and this is a really good option when you're off on a dark trail or out somewhere where you need that better visibility behind you, or trying to navigate or even back up to a trailer. There's really a lot of different uses for it. With that being said, Baja designed this kit pretty cleverly, and they do include a wiring harness with the system so you can get everything set up. And you can actually choose to either run them on a separate switch so you can flick them on and off on command, or you can tie it into your reverse lights so they come on whenever you trigger reverse in your truck. For our purposes, we ended up tying it to the reverse just because it was the most convenient, and we wanted to preserve the upfitters in our Raptor without tying in another switch that we didn't really need. It works very well. Obviously, it's pretty excellent to have something this durable in there. Baja Designs is known for the quality of light that they make, so even though this is low on the truck and it's in an area where it might get hit with mud and water and all sorts of grime, they hold up just fine, and we haven't had any issues with condensation or cracked lenses or anything along those lines. Overall, I've been super pleased with this Baja Designs kit on our truck. It's been excellent when we really needed that extra lighting, and when we've been reversing or driving around, out here in the woods and it's cloudy or dark or whatever, it's been really handy to have. But if you guys are interested in picking up one of these systems for your vehicle, you can head down in the description below, click that link, and also make sure you hit subscribe while you're down there so you don't miss any of our other installs and reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.